cheyali, and rough expectations and customers reviews, like that, right? So here incremental requirements are there. Incremental requirements is nothing but whenever we are working with project, right, in between we are getting any new requirements or new features from the customers, parallelly we have to work with that, right? Parallelly we have to work with that and we have to add all the features, if possible add within that particular iteration, otherwise you have to carry out all that features to the next iterations, right? So incremental requirements will be means you people will be working parallelly with your teamwork, right? Whatever the project is there, but extra thing what we are doing here in this XP, we are going to be involving the customer and adding the requirements and releasing. Okay, these things are going to be happen. So incremental requirements. So work incrementally. So work incrementally means whenever we are working on any particular project, definitely we will be involving the customers, right? We will be focusing on the requirements, and if customer is giving any feedback or unable to understand that type of a code, so here we are doing the replacement and changes, right? And parallelly here rest of the team will be focusing on the project. Okay, whatever the project is there, whatever the target within that 3 months they have to complete, means they will be focusing on that, but between this they will be including all the features. Okay, parallelly the work will be go on by other team members. And rough expectation. So rough expectation means here estimate ma. So before starting anything, okay, before starting anything, definitely here we will do some rough expectation, right? So roughly we will be doing some works and we are going to be analyzing, right? What are the things we have to do? Okay, whenever the project we are going to do, what are the things or what are the requirements we need to for that particular work, right? If you people are organizing any event, okay, any kind of a event, each and every kind will event will be having the different like requirements, right? For every event, requirement should not be a same, right? Might be a different, right? So before starting that any particular event, here you will be doing some roughly calculations or rough work, right? What to do, what not to do, what are the things have to be involved, right? Who have to be invited to develop. Okay, like this, these all things you will be focusing. Same as like that only here. Whenever you people are going to means here you people going to estimate and rectify whatever the expected work have to be done by the team works. Okay, whatever the work they have to done, or you people are going to be estimating and rectifying how to do, what to do. Okay, these all things you people will be focusing. Okay, roughly you people are doing the work here, what to do, what not to do. These all things are going to be identified to be ఎందుకు ఇవన్నీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామంటే అట్ లాస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఏ డన్, right? The work should be a done. And next, customers review. What is this customer review, ma? This customer review is whenever we are going to be release any project, okay, any project, at that time here we are involving the customers also, right? So they will be checking this all projects, and if any reviews are there, right, so they will be identifying that reviews. Based on that reviews, here team is going to be including all these features, right? Whatever the reviews are there, based on that they will be gathering all the requirements. Based on that, again they will be focusing on this project, right? So whenever you people are doing any shopping, right, definitely you people will be seeing the review. Based on that review only, here we will be deciding to take or not, okay, to use or not, okay, like that. So here also whenever the project is going to be developed, here customer, definitely they will be involving the customer. Once the customer is happy, then only we can work on that, right? So like that, customer reviews are most important, okay, more important. And definitely their involvement is also very important. That's why they will be using this XP, right? And finally here, what will be the results? Okay, what will be the results? We'll see this, what will be the results contradiction in next slide. So before that, here incremental requirements means here what is the meaning of this incremental requirements means parallelly the work must go on along with the features whatever you want to add. Okay, parallelly work have to be done with the other works. Work should not be stopped whenever we are adding any features or anything. So here this incremental requirements need some documentation. Okay, some documents for all the living requirements. So they will be maintaining some documents of that particular requirements. How they will be maintaining for this requirement means, one is the face to face work incrementally, and here we are going to be involving the customer, and what will be the vision and features and the stories. Okay, these all things we are focusing. So here these all are the some requirement documents whenever we are going to be develop any project, right? So face to face, so here we are using XP agile model, right? Definitely we are involving the customers, and if face to face communication is there also, it will be good, right, to discuss face to face communication. Me team members, me organization, or whoever are working in that particular project, if it is there means it will be easy, right? Yeah, a papers లో information పెట్టే బదులు directly they come and do a discussion means it will be really easy, and it will be allowing us to save the time, eliminating some requirements and do some analysis. Okay, what to, I have done these things, you have done that things. Okay, if we include these things means problems will be created, like that communication will be happen easily with this face to face communication. Okay, face to face communication means is much more effective than written communication. Whatever the matter has been written in this paper is much more better than the direct person who is coming and discussing. That will be saving your time and eliminating all the long requirements, and you can do some analysis, right? And the key to successful this requirement is mainly here what we are thinking whenever we are working on this particular project. Here the main key will be there, what is that key? Key means here we are involving some expert customers. Okay, if expert customers, the customer knows everything well, right, then they can easily developers who are working on that, they can easily focus on that, right? So here the key successful requirement analysis in this XP is expert customers, and involve the real customers, and experienced product managers also, right? So they will be able to understand the problem domain easily. Okay, how they can able to understand means by lot of practices they have done, with the help of that lot of practices only they can give the solution for that particular problems, right? So as we discuss some example for this, right, if we are having any problems in our house, so directly we will be discussing with some experienced person, with our parents, with our grandparents. Okay, like that finally we will be getting some solution for that, right? Why? Because already they have faced that all things, right? They know what to do and what not to do, right? So that's why every time parents will be tell that you have to listen whatever we are saying. Okay, we are having the experience, we have seen these all things in our life. Okay, like that they will be saying, okay, ఊరికే అనరు అవన్నీ అదేంటైతే ఫేస్ చేశారు కాబట్టి దే విల్ బి సేయింగ్, right? And here the real customer should be involved, right? Customers have to be involved. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి సక్సెస్ రావాలి అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్వాల్వ్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ కస్టమర్స్, రైట్? అండ్ రియల్ కస్టమర్స్ అండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ మేనేజర్స్, రైట్? So these three roles are very important. We have to involve and we have to get the successful project at last, right? So that is the face to face. In face to face, first of all, communication unte chala better. Okay, yeah, like yeah, putting the points on the paper, discussing on that all things means even దానికన్నా ఈ కమ్యూనికేషన్ డైరెక్ట్ గా డిస్కస్ చేస్తే టైం సేవ్ అవుతుంది, ఏం చేయాలా ఏం లేదు అనేది ఆల్ దిస్ వీ కెన్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దాట్, రైట్? అండ్ వర్క్ ఇంక్రిమెంటల్లీ. Okay, work incrementally means already we have discussed, like whatever the work we are going to be doing parallelly it have to run, right? Whatever the new features are there, and parallelly we are adding that features in that project, okay, and we are releasing. So work on the requirements incrementally in parallel with rest of the team's work, and makes your work easier and ensure the rest of the team won't have to wait to get started, రైట్? సో వాళ్ళని వెయిటింగ్ లో పెట్టి వాళ్ళని ఓకే ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేసే వరకు తర్వాత చూసుకుందామని అలా టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకుండా హియర్ దే విల్ బి ప్యారలల్లీ వర్కింగ్ సో దట్ దే కెన్ మేక్ ఏ ఈజియర్ అండ్ అదర్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ కెన్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్, రైట్? సో that is the work incrementally. So whenever we are working on any project ma, definitely there will be some vision statement. Okay, what is our goal? Okay, what is our goal, what is our destination, how to do, what to do? Okay, definitely there will be vision means one clarity టు స్టార్ట్ అవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. అసలు దేని మీద చేయాలి, దేని మీద చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది బిజినెస్ ఆర్ టు డెవలప్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఓకే, ఎనీ ప్రోడక్ట్. సో హియర్ దే షుడ్ బి సమ్ విజన్ స్టేట్మెంట్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వాట్ షుడ్ బి ఏ ఫీచర్స్? ఓకే, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే అడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఉంటాయా? ఓకే, ఇంకా దానికి ఏమైనా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవచ్చా? ఓకే, యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవచ్చా? లైక్ దట్ ఫీచర్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఫీచర్స్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు involve all these user stories also, right? So this is the initial ideas ma, will guide you the rest of the requirements, how it is working in the project, right? So with the help of these three things you can focus on your project, okay, final on your destination. If you focus on that, definitely you can achieve key successful, okay, like results. And features, if you are able to adding new features for that, definitely you can improve that. And if you are involving the customer, okay, you are taking the ideas from that, and you going to be identifying the things, and you will be including that all things in that particular project, right? And rough expectation means before starting anything, okay, you people will be doing some rough work on that, okay. It will be helpful for everyone, so that they will be having some idea, rough idea about that, what to do and what not to do, okay, how the stories are going on, okay. This will be helpful for the developers, right? So so we are having some more like incremental requirements like a mock test, okay, mock test, and these all things will be there. Mock test, they will be conducting customer test and completion criteria. Mock test means whatever they have developed, right? Okay, whatever means they will be creating some rough mock test ma, okay, whatever the expected work is there, adi daniki reach avutunda leda, right? So whenever you people are, have you seen or not, I don't know, but whenever you people are writing any exams, before that here mock test will be run, right? Some testings will be done, okay, అదంతా మనం చేసింది దానికి అవుతుందా లేదా అనేది, right? Any competitive exams are there or anything is going on, definitely they will be conducting some mock-ups, okay. సో దట్ ద వర్క్ ఎలా అసలు చేసింది ఎలా ఉంది, దానికి ఎలా లుక్ వచ్చింది, దీస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ విల్ బి డన్. అండ్ హియర్ దే విల్ బి ప్రిపేరింగ్ సమ్ కస్టమర్ టెస్ట్, okay, so by providing some examples or whatever the tricky domain concepts are there, and they will be describing about that particular product, okay. And finally they will be saying that done, okay, of that all the stories, whatever the stories they have collected by the customers, whatever the requirements they have involved, right? So they will be preparing for the customer test. With this, they will, whatever the things they have done, they have to give a clear and neat explanation for that customers also. And you will be typically wait for the corresponding iterations to begin before doing most of this work. So whenever you people are doing any work, definitely you will be beginning with iteration 1, 2, 3, right? So ఆల్మోస్ట్ డెవలపర్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆ పర్టికులర్ ప్లాన్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయేలాగా, ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఇటరేషన్లోనే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయేలాగా దే విల్ బి ఫోకసింగ్, రైట్? అండ్ కస్టమర్ రివ్యూ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మా. So here, whenever we are developing any stories or whatever the stories are underdeveloped, okay, if whatever the customer has given some requirements, if you added that all in that first iteration, is no problem. Ma. If it is under development lo undi అనుకోండి, before they are done, okay, వాళ్ళ వర్క్ ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు, ఓకే, కానీ అయిందని చెప్పుకుంటారు. సో రివ్యూ ద ఈచ్ స్టోరీ టు మేక్ షూర్ ఇట్ వర్క్స్ హ్యాస్ యూ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్. మీన్స్ మీరు ఎక్కడి దాకా అయితే డెవలప్ చేశారో అక్కడి దాకైనా అట్లీస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా చేసి ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ that project you have to hand over to the customer perfectly. Whatever the things remain, you have to give a clear explanation to the customer that these things are left over, okay, here we are facing some problems, so that we will be rectified within these days, okay, like that. So why? Because you have to give this information before only. Why? Means there should not be happen like a miscommunication and misunderstanding, right? So some of your findings will review errors due to miscommunication and misunderstanding. So whatever the things you have done, say clearly. You, if you have not done, you just say clearly to the customers and take a time like that. And other meeting requirements will be there, okay. Some requirements won't work perfectly. They have done some practices, but they will be trying on that particular requirements, ma. Okay, and there will be some many changes will be minor. To release in the next iteration slats. Whatever the issues, whatever the problems are, that small changes they will be doing and releasing in the next iterations. Right? If major changes are there, means here programmers don't have time to fix that, means they can release in the next iteration. Ma. Current iteration la release kakapoina, next iteration work aina, they have to fix that major changes and they have to release that all, right? They have to release. So this is about the incremental requirements, right? In this incremental requirements, what will be the results, how we are using this incremental requirements, means finally whenever we are involving the customer work, okay, with their requirements, definitely we can achieve success results, right? And programmers are able to work more effectively on that. Why? Because customer is involving, giving their requirements, and we are doing the changes and we are releasing that product. So definitely there will be a good results. And contradiction, in order to incrementally define requirements, the team must include the customers, okay. Customers ni must ga include cheyali, then only they can work and they can add all the increments, who are dedicated to work out the requirements details throughout the entire project. And we have to include the person who can support the entire project అయ్యే వరకు ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ మీద కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేదాకా ఉండి దాని మీద వర్క్ చేసే అలాంటి పర్సన్స్ ని కూడా మనం ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయాలి, లేకపోతే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి, right? And alternatives, what is the alternatives? So traditional approach to the requirements is definition for to perform the requirements and doing the analysis sessions and document the results. Whatever the work you have done, okay, you definitely identify how it is working and what is the analysis, and make some documentation for the better results, right? So this is about the incremental requirement, right? So in this incremental requirement, we have seen like a face-to-face communication, work incrementally,